So this is the problem statement for the Pbt. You have been hired as a junior security analyst at a mid-sized company, Secure Tech Solutions, which recently experienced unauthorized access to its internal network. The IT department suspects that weak security configurations and potential vulnerabilities in the network could be the cause. Your task is to conduct a network security assessment using various security testing techniques and tools to identify weaknesses and recommend solutions. In today's world, monitoring tools are essential components of any organization's cybersecurity strategy. Tools like Nmap are designed to monitor network traffic, detect potential security threats, and provide insights into the overall security posture of the network.
We would like to suggest our selected network tools that we use. It is Nmap. What is Nmap? Nmap stands for Network Mapper. It is a free open source tool that is used mainly for network discovery and security auditing. Security auditing means checking a network or system to find any weaknesses or misconfiguration that could be exploited by attackers, including those who might be anonymous. Why we use Nmap for our Pbt project? Nmap could help us find active devices, shows open port, detect operating system and running services, and allow us to identify vulnerabilities. What Nmap can do? Nmap does scan network whether small or large, check firewall, generate network maps, and support different scans like synchronized scan, UDP scan, and more.
There are two features of Nmap: scan techniques and target specification. Scan techniques is one of the most powerful features of Nmap. For example, TCP SYN scan is very common because it's fast and stealthy. It sends a SYN packet to a target and listens for a response without completing a full connection. Then, there's TCP connection scan, which fully establishes a TCP connection with a target. It's reliable but easier to detect. Nmap also supports UDP scans to check open UDP ports, which are usually harder to detect because they don't have a handshake process like TCP. These techniques allow for efficient and comprehensive scanning of network hosts. For target specification, users can specify a single IP address or a range of IP addresses using CIDR notation. We can also scan devices by using their hostnames instead of IPs. Moreover, Nmap allows you to create a file containing a list of targets and load that file for large scanning operations. This makes Nmap very powerful when you need to scan a small number of devices or even thousands of machines at once during a security audit.
To use Nmap for scanning a network or website, you first need to install and set up the tools properly. First, download Nmap from the official website. After the download is finished, install Nmap by following the setup instruction. Once installed, right-click the Nmap application and select Run as Administrator. Next, in Target text field, type an IP address or domain name and then click Scan, as in picture. The target is www.youtube.com and profile choose Intent Scan. After a few seconds, the output from the target www.youtube.com will appear. From the output, you will see which ports are open and which services or protocols are running. From the traced-out output, show the path that data takes from my computer to the target. For example, www.youtube.com, it lists the different router or devices the data passed through before reaching the destination. Then, click on port or host. Here will be show what port are using and what protocol has been used. Last, click on topology. There will show the traced-out direction, which help us understand the network route and find if there are any delays or problems along the way.
We have a simple but strong security policy that is regularly scans the network using tools like Nmap, and what we do during the scan is to find open ports and make sure only necessary ports like 80, which is HTTP, and 443, which is HTTPS are open. We will close or protect other ports to reduce security risk. A good security policy is important because open ports can be used by attackers to break into a network. Every unnecessary open port will be a potential risk. Scanning with Nmap help us find and fix this risk early, just like how big companies like YouTube protect itself by only allowing safe ports like 80 and 443.